Musamseleku was accusing Makumalo on season 8. He said Mayeni doesn't want to come at the meeting because of Makumalo. Mayeni, Musamseleku and Macele, they are very rude to Makumalo. When they are fighting, they want to involve Makumalo. Mayeni doesn't want to come at the meeting because they had a fight last time. Musamseleku want to have a meeting about the family trip. So Mayeni insult Macele. They want to fight with Macele. That's why Mayeni doesn't want to come at the meeting. She said Makumalo says I'm delusional. She doesn't want to say to Musamseleku straight about Macele. Mayeni and Macele, they fear each other. Mayeni, she was a fear that Macele can beat her because since at that time they don't meet together. But Mayeni want to involve Makumalo. Musamseleku was supposed to tell Mayeni the truth, but Musamseleku, he can protect Mayeni and Macele over Makumalo. The problem now is Makumalo. Makumalo was right. She got angry because Makumalo will end up so season 8. Why Mayeni, she doesn't want to attend the meeting, but they want to involve her name. I think Makumalo is an easy person because why they can't involve Mangwabe? Because at that time, Makumalo, when she says Mayeni is delusional, they were together with Mangwabe. Musamseleku says Mangwabe didn't say anything. Musamseleku saw season 7. Makumalo was discussing about that issue with Mangwabe. Mangwabe was the one who asked Makumalo, how did you go with Mayeni? So Makumalo was explaining to Mangwabe. Musamseleku says Mangwabe didn't say anything. You know that when your husband doesn't defend you, your husband can protect other wives over you. That marriage, there is no marriage. We don't want to lie to Makumalo that Makumalo have to stay on that marriage. He is not married. Guys, Makumalo doesn't have any marriage because your husband was supposed to protect you, but he is protecting other wives over here. Imagine, guys, how Makumalo, she is being involved. Musamseleku says many things about Makumalo that day, that Makumalo loves to gossip. That's why Makumalo, she got angry because why she want to be involved. Mayeni, Makumalo and Mangwabe, they were together at family trip on season 8. They are very happy. Why Mayeni, she can't say it or to be angry? Mayeni want to give Musamseleku an excuse because she was fear of Macele. She thinks that Macele maybe was still on that mood, can beat her anytime. Because Mayeni, most of the time, she wants to fight with Macele, but she saw that Macele is not an easy person. So we end up saying about Makumalo because Mayeni thinks that Makumalo, the way, you know that when you are a nice person, people, they think that you are very easy. They can do whatever they want to do with you, to say whatever they want to say with you. That's why Mayeni say that Makumalo says I'm delusional. Why Mayeni doesn't say about Macele? Those people, they fear each other. They can fight Macele and Mayeni, but tomorrow you will see them. They can have a fear, or maybe Macele thinks that Mayeni want to beat her, or especially Macele, when she doesn't want to be at family trip, doesn't want to be with Mayeni, because Mayeni is a straight talker most of the times. You understand? Mayeni, she is in fear of Macele because Macele can beat her anytime. So they fear each other. They want to involve Makumalo. You understand? To blame Makumalo. That Makumalo is the reason why. But Musamseleku knows his wives that Mayeni fear Macele. But I love Makumalo the way she responds to Musamseleku. That's why Mayeni doesn't being rude to Makumalo on season 9. Because Makumalo was ready. Musamseleku tells Makumalo on Utando Nestem Uncut that you have to go to apologize to Mayeni's family. And Makumalo respond direct on diaries that she is not crazy. She is not going to respond. Makumalo on season 9, she was ready to face Mayeni, what I saw. Makumalo was ready to face Mayeni. Mangwabe maybe tells Makumalo that don't fear those wives because they will end up destroy you, being rude to you. Because when you don't protect yourself, Musamseleku doesn't protect you. You have to protect yourself.